Hello everyone, welcome to the channel YouMathsTube. We'll solve two word problems today. Let us start with the first problem. Problem number 1. Janet bought items that costed $6 each and sold the same items with a price of $5 each. If she sells 45 items, what was the total loss? We know loss equals buying cost minus selling price. Here buying cost for each item is $6 and selling price for each item is $5. So $6 minus $5 is the amount of loss per item. So loss per item equals $6 minus $5, which gives us $1. But she sold 45 items. So the total amount of loss for 45 items is loss per item times the number of items. So $1 times 45, which gives us $45. So this is the end of first problem. Let us move to the next problem, which is problem number 2. Problem number 2. Joe bought 25 items that costed $200 and sold 20 items with the same price, that means $200. What was the profit per item? We know profit equals selling price minus buying cost. Buying cost of each of the 25 items is the total buying cost, which is $200, divided by number of items, which is $25, which gives us $8. Similarly, selling price of each of the 20 items, because he sold 20 items with the same price, which is $200. So selling price of each of the 20 items is 200 divided by 20, which gives us $10. So the selling price of each item is $10 and buying cost of each item is $8. So $10 minus $8 will be the amount of profit per item. So profit per item equals $10 minus $8, which gives us $2. So this is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll solve some more problems in the next videos. Thank you.